Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Wanillahil hamd. Hey everybody, Assalamu alaikum. This is Farooq Ahmed before you, and today is Eid Day, and today is Eidul Adha. And because of this day, I am going to Idgah Maidan, and I am going to with my some cousins. My cousins' brother are so late, so I am going to slowly. In this day, you have to say Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Onillahil hamd. You have to maintain Sunnah and you have to maintain all the rules and regulation of our religion. So we have to maintain this thing all over the world and in our full life and body and mind also. Okay. In this day, we celebrate it, and we can say they are laughing because of my video, because in this area, in this village, there is no one person who can make video for YouTube or Facebook, and there is no content creator, so I am the first person, and they laugh. This is simple. Okay. And if you want, I will make more videos for you, and if you want to get some videos, you can comment in the comment box and encourage me. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Onillahil hamd.